Something inside you broke, and it's hard to look away from the pieces. You look at yourself, but you don't recognize who's staring back. Starting over sounds simple. So why does it feel impossible to take the first step? Every plan you made feels buried under a pile of what went wrong. The distance between where you are and where you want to be feels endless. Some dreams don't survive, and letting them go feels like losing a part of yourself. One door leads back to comfort, the other leads to the unknown. Both feel terrifying. You're not lazy, you're just empty. And no one talks about that enough. You keep pushing against the fear, hoping it'll finally give way. But even in the darkest moment, something small still flickers, and that changes everything. You don't have to fix everything at once. Just pick up one piece. Even broken things can teach you something if you're willing to look closer. Starting over doesn't mean forgetting where you began. It means drawing a new line. Letting go of one plan isn't failure. It's making room for a better one. You don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need to take step one. Grief doesn't disappear overnight. But you can choose to walk forward anyway. The unknown will always feel scary. Growth lives on the other side of that fear. Hope doesn't arrive loud. It flickers quietly, waiting for you to notice it. Fear doesn't vanish because you're brave. It cracks because you keep pushing. The light is getting wider. And so is the version of you that's rising to meet it. Keep the broken pieces. They're proof of what you survived. The line that once scared you, you just walked past it like it was nothing. A blank page isn't empty. It's full of everything you haven't written yet. Look back for a second. You've already climbed further than you think. New beginnings don't need big gestures. Sometimes it's just one small seed. You stepped through, and the door you feared didn't destroy you. It changed you. The light was never gone. You just had to reach up and turn it back on. Fear cracks louder the harder you push. Keep pushing. Look in the mirror. That person staring back? They're healing. Somewhere between the falling apart and the starting over, you found yourself again. Look at everything you've gathered. Every shard tells a story of you rebuilding. Growth needs patience. You water it, and slowly it becomes something new. You're almost there. Even tired, you're still climbing. The plan you wrote in your lowest moment is becoming your new direction. Everything ahead is unfamiliar, and for the first time, that doesn't scare you. The light isn't flickering anymore. It's steady, just like you. The wall that once stopped you, you walked right through where it used to stand. Look closely. The person in the mirror isn't broken anymore. You're not running from anything now. You're walking toward everything. You made it to the top, and the view looks like everything you fought for. What you planted in your lowest moment has bloomed into something beautiful. You don't need the plan anymore. You've become it. You don't have to forget the past to move forward. You just stop letting it lead. The broken pieces you kept, they're not baggage. They're proof you rebuilt. Look back once, not to stay there, just to see how far starting over took you. The light was always meant to be yours. You just had to believe it again. Fear built that wall, but you're the one who tore it down, piece by piece. The person in the mirror isn't who broke. It's who chose to begin again. Starting over was never about erasing yourself. It was about becoming more of who you are. And in the stillness, you finally understand. You didn't just start over. You started true.